Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to connect ChatGPT to WordPress website. We will use Shadow. After setup, you can manage your WordPress website from ChatGPT. Okay, and you can create page, you can write post, you can design, even you can use plugin or all-in-one SEO plugin or slim SEO plugin. You can audit your website SEO. Okay, this Shadow landing page, you can download Shadow plugin from here. It's free, and then you can open your website dashboard. So here a plugin, you need to upload it, and then you need to activate this Shadow plugin. Go to connection, and we need to connect a F. F means ChatGPT or Claude CLI or Codex, whatever you try to connect your WordPress website. But we in this tutorial we cover ChatGPT. So connect AF. I select ChatGPT, and here you see connection details. We need to back now ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. You go to settings, then plugins. You need to developer mode on. Okay, create a plugin. So here we open. You can upload icons, so we name it here already a data, so I can name it Shadow Fahim Reja. This is my site. I name it, and then description, no need, and we need to place this URL, MCP URL here. Okay, so I understand, cover, and create a connection. Okay, so we see a skin Shadow, add a Shadow to your add Shadow Fahim Reja, the plugin to your ChatGPT. Okay, so if I need to sign in with my website, so it's see. So now here I have three options. So I select manage the site. Okay, I allow them. The ChatGPT is connected. Okay, done. Now we test. So we can see you have a Shadow 500, the new plugin connection. So let's try a chat. And first I write fast prompt to see. It's inspecting my site and retrieving all the Shadow instruction. Then it collect all the website data from here. It show me, okay, this is my site name, what WordPress version I am using, theme, total blog post, total pages, media files, even everything he can read now. So try Shadow with your WordPress website. If you have any question regarding plugin or any feature request, please comment. Thank you for your time.